How to activate Capital One credit card. Hey everyone, in this video, I show you how to quickly activate your Capital One credit card. So whether you're using the website, the mobile app, or doing it by phone, I'll walk you through each option. Let's get started. First, head over to CapitalOne.com and log into your account using your username and password. Once you're logged in, click on your credit card account and look for the option that says Activate your card. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the activation. Another easy way is by using the Capital One mobile app. So open the app and log in. On the main screen, select your credit card account and look for the Activate Card option. So once you find it, follow the steps to activate it. If you prefer to activate by phone, you can call the number listed on the sticker that's on your new card. The automated system will guide you through the activation process. You may be asked to provide your card number and other details to verify your identity for a secure verification. Once you've completed any of these steps, your card should be activated and ready to use immediately. So make sure to sign the back of your card and you're all set. And that's how you activate your Capital One credit card. If this video was helpful, be sure to like the video for more easy to follow guides. Thanks for watching.